Hi everybody, welcome back to musicmoves.org. Now in this session, I'm going to lay down a couple of guitar tracks for you. A couple of guitar tracks using two different tempos or speeds. Now I'm going to lay these guitar tracks down so you can actually play your banjo over the top of this guitar, the sound of the guitar. So I'm going to be using the 4/4 time that we were just talking about, and also I'm going to be using 8 measures, and I'm going to be playing those 8 measures over and over again. Now remember that to keep that count of 4 in your head, and again tapping your foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, each one of these measures has that 4 beats within the measure. And another thing to remember is the sound of that bass on the 1, 3, 1, 3. Again, the sound of the bass on the downbeats, that being the 1 and the 3. Okay, so let me play these 8 measures for you now. Again, I'm going to be counting to 4, and I'm also going to call out the names of the chords as they change. So we have G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, D, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. So those are our 8 measures. And the only thing we have to watch out for is that 7th measure, because there's a chord change within that 7th measure. Now there's still those 4 beats within that measure, but all we're doing is we're making a quick change right in the middle of that measure between G and D, and then it comes back to G for the last measure, that 8th measure. So let me play these 8 measures now. Again, I'm going to be playing them a few times at this speed so you can, again, practice your whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and your 8th notes within each of these measures. Now I'm going to speed it up just a little bit, so once you get used to playing all those notes with that speed, then once you become familiar with it, you can increase your speed a little bit. So I'm going to play those same 8 measures now, and using that same chord progression and just speeding it up just a little bit for you. those same 8 measures using those same chords at just a little bit faster tempo. And also I'm going to be using these guitar tracks. So right after this I'm going to be teaching you how to actually do some rhythm over these chords as well, and work on your chords and work on your rolls and your patterns after the rolls, all using these 8 measures and those different those 3 different chords, G, C, and D, and those changes as well. So thanks for joining me, everybody, and we'll see you next time right here on musicmoosh.org.